Unboxing the $99 Nothing CMF Watch 3 Pro, ChatGPT, enhanced health tracking, and more. Get ready to explore a smartwatch that dares to shake up the entire wearable scene, all at an impressively affordable $99 price tag. Curious how it fits advanced health tracking, smart features like ChatGPT support, and a sleek design into such a modest package? Read on, because this is where it gets intriguing and possibly controversial. Nothing has just unveiled its latest entry in the budget-friendly segment, the CMF Watch 3 Pro. Starting at $99, it replaces the popular Wear OS system with a more lightweight RTOS, real-time operating system. Why the switch? RTOS generally consumes less power and offers a streamlined experience, enabling the watch to hit a remarkable 13-day battery life. Here comes the part most people miss. You're trading the versatility of Wear OS for extended battery performance and more wallet-friendly pricing. Still, the CMF Watch 3 Pro makes up for that trade-off with several standout features. It boasts a reworked metal body that forgoes interchangeable bezels in favor of a more contemporary look, complemented by a larger 1.43-inch AMOLED display and thinner frame edges. You'll also find a new 4-channel heart rate sensor, which supports over 130 sports modes. This focus on health is aimed at everyday users and casual fitness explorers, offering both style and practicality without pushing the price through the roof. But here's where it gets controversial. The watch has ChatGPT integration, letting you ask questions, retrieve facts, and set reminders simply by speaking naturally. Some argue that's next-level convenience, while others raise concerns about privacy and data handling associated with AI on a wearable. Nevertheless, the potential is exciting. You can record voice notes, transcribe them on the fly, and even get bite-sized news blasts of your choice. There's also a second microphone to enhance call clarity, along with gesture shortcuts and 140-character quick replies. Software-wise, the CMF Watch 3 Pro and the rest of the CMF smartwatch lineup will be moving to the Nothing X app, well known for managing Nothing's headphones. This consolidation means you can control your watch and your earphones from the same place, potentially making your daily routine simpler. Available right now through Nothing's official website, and soon enough, on Amazon, the CMF Watch 3 Pro offers color options like orange, dark gray, and light gray. It's designed to appeal to anyone who wants stylish design, robust health tracking, and a taste of AI assistance without draining their bank accounts. Still, some users might lament the absence of a full-fledged Wear OS ecosystem. In case you're hungry for more insights on Nothing's offerings, you can check out updates on the Essential Space platform that introduced Google Calendar integration and improvements to its recorder. There's also the Nothing Phone 3, known for its distinct interface, camera performance, and power management. And don't overlook the Nothing Headphone 1 review, which highlighted a surprising twist in their audio profile. For those who want continuous updates from Ben, the source of this coverage, you can find him on Twitter X, Threads, Blue Sky, and Instagram to stay in the loop. Consider adding 9 to 5 Google to your Google News feed for even more real-time news. Keep in mind, some links might be affiliate links, which help support the coverage at no extra cost to you. What do you think? Do you see the value in giving up Wear OS for better battery life? Or do you believe the integrated AI features justify the shed in functionality? Share your thoughts. Are you rooting for this budget-friendly approach? Or do you think Nothing should have stuck to a more comprehensive platform? Let the debate commence in the comments. Nothing CMF Watch 3 Pro Review, $99 smartwatch with AI coaching and 13-day battery life. Stop settling for watches that sputter out before your weekend hike even kicks off. CMF's brand new Watch 3 Pro wants to prove long-lasting stamina doesn't have to break the bank. Priced at $99, this third-generation model is being touted as the sub-brand's most sophisticated entry-level fitness companion yet, thanks to beefier battery life, sharper GPS, and a sprinkle of on-wrist AI. What exactly has changed? For starters, the Watch 3 Pro upgrades to dual-band GPS, a feature normally found on pricier competitors, so mapped routes and pace data should be noticeably tighter. A redesigned 4-channel heart rate sensor also debuts, and CMF claims it delivers more dependable readings across different skin tones and workout intensities, a detail that could make a real difference for runners tracking zone training or cyclists monitoring spikes. Sports enthusiasts will appreciate the expansion to 131 activity modes, 11 more than the outgoing Watch Pro 2. After each session, a personalized AI coach summarizes your performance, predicts long-distance endurance, and dishes out training advice. Think of it as a pocket trainer whispering, "Slow down, you'll thank me at kilometer 9." And this is the part most people miss. Beyond the usual heart rate and sleep insights, the Watch 3 Pro also measures blood oxygen saturation, monitors stress, guides breathing exercises, nudges you to hydrate or stretch, and offers women's health tracking. All of that data funnels into the revamped Nothing X companion app, which now promises smoother syncing, a cleaner control center, and native links to Strava, Apple Health, and Google Health Connect for anyone already locked into those ecosystems. Of course, CMF couldn't resist sprinkling in trendy AI flourishes. A built-in ChatGPT shortcut lets you fire off questions or set reminders using natural voice prompts, no phone required. There's even a voice memo recorder that automatically transcribes mid-run brainwaves. Feeling artistic? An AI-powered watch face studio can whip up custom faces in seconds, or you can browse more than 120 pre-made styles and pin widgets for weather, music, or to-do lists. Flip the wrist and you'll see a brighter 1.43-inch AMOLED always-on display with a 10% bump in screen-to-body ratio over last year's model. Battery longevity is where CMF swings hardest. Expect roughly 13 days of typical use, 11 days if you're recording workouts daily, and about 4.5 days with the always-on display permanently lit. That's a 2-day improvement over the Watch Pro 2, and impressive given the larger screen. But here's where it gets controversial. Despite the spec sheet ticking nearly every fitness box, NFC payments are still absent. For some, CMF Watch 3 Pro, the affordable smartwatch for fitness enthusiasts. Imagine a smartwatch that's not just a gadget, but a game-changer for your fitness journey, without breaking the bank. This new CMF Watch 3 Pro from Nothing, priced under $100, is quietly revolutionizing the market for budget-conscious health enthusiasts. If you've spent hundreds on your phone, laptop, and headphones, this affordable device could finally be the missing piece of your tech stack. CMF, the sub-brand behind Nothing's flagship Nothing Phone 3, which sparked mixed reviews last month, has launched the Watch 3 Pro, a sleek, stylish alternative to high-end smartwatches. Available in dark gray, light gray, and orange, it's already selling for $99 on Nothing's website. But what truly sets it apart is its blend of performance and affordability, designed for people just starting their fitness journeys. The Watch 3 Pro boasts a 13-day battery life, a dual-band 5-system GPS setup, and a 4-channel heart rate sensor. These features aren't just flashy, they are practical. The GPS ensures precise location tracking, ideal for runners or hikers, while the heart rate sensor delivers accurate data during workouts. With 130 activity modes, it's like having a personal trainer in your wrist. After your workout, the watch uses AI to generate performance summaries, offering recovery tips and insights. ChatGPT integration lets you ask questions on the go, whether you're tracking progress or seeking fitness advice. Even the built-in voice recorder with auto-transcription is a handy tool for capturing ideas or notes. Of course, design isn't for everyone. The Watch 3 Pro's slim bezels and soft silicone bands give it a more understated look compared to Nothing's bolder devices. But with over 120 watch face options, it's easy to customize the look to match your style. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this affordable smartwatch really a viable alternative to premium models? Or is it just a step-down version? And this is the part most people miss. While the specs are impressive for its price, will it hold up for serious athletes? Let us know in the comments. Do you think this is a game changer or a compromise?